Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ramzan Biology. Student, in this lecture we will talk about the next topic, alkene. In previous lecture we studied about the alkane and its formulas and its reaction and its forming. Today we will talk about the alkene and its structure and its preparation, that how alkenes are formed. So alkenes are completely opposite of the alkane due to the word E. So these are the unsaturated. Alkane were saturated, but these are unsaturated hydrocarbon that contain at least one double bond between the carbon atoms. It means that if we take one carbon atom like so, there will be at least one double bond between the carbon. One double bond, one will be single, second will be double. And the alkane there was the single bond, but in the alkene there will be one double bond between the carbon atoms, and this double bond made it unsaturated, due to which it react with a lot of substance from the alkane. So therefore it is a reactive substance, it is a reactive hydrocarbon. They are called olefin. It means oil forming. So oil forming means that they are more reactive, and they are reactive with every substance due to its double bond. Their general formula is CnH2n. So the formula of alkane was the CnH2n plus 2, but of the alkene is CnH2n. It means that there will be, if you take simple alkene, so will be CH2. So the simple alkene will be CH2. Their functional group is double bond. So if you talk about the functional group, so functional group is that part of the formula of a hydrocarbon which play important role in the bonding with another element. Like this is one hydrocarbon, so it will make bond with another through this thing due to its double bond, and they are started from ethene C2H4. So due to its double forming, there is no CH2, and they are started from ethene. Ethene is C2H4. If we talk about the structure of ethene, so in ethene there are two carbons, H, and there also H, and there also H. So we say that alkene contain double bond, at least double bond between the carbon atoms. So if we talk about only one simple alkene, so there are two hydrogen, and there is no chance of forming double bond. So therefore we start alkene from ethene. This is ethene due to the double bonding between the alkene. So therefore the simplest alkene is ethene and not methane. So there are some molecular formulas of alkene. They are ethene. Ethene is C2H4. As before I mentioned there, that it is simplest alkene due to the two carbon atoms and make double bond between two carbons. The second is the propene. So it is C3H6. So likewise the alkane, it have also two hydrogen increasing it by just one carbon increase. The fourth one is the butene, C4H8 propene, C5H10. So the it is mentioned for the 1 to 3, but the in the last it is mentioned for double bond between the at least one double bond between the carbon atoms. If we talk about the propene structural formula, so you can see there that there are 5 carbon atoms in the propene. 4 carbon have single bond between each other, but there is at least one double bond between this carbon and this carbon, and it is attached with H and H. So therefore if the propene form bond with another substance, so the bond will be formed at this place, and therefore we mention this as a functional group which is denoted by X. So therefore CH2 as a functional group of propene. Next we will talk about the structural forming of the alkene. Next we are talking about the preparation of alkene. So alkene are prepared by two methods. The first method is the dehydration of alcohol. It means that when we remove water from alcohol, then the product is the alkene which we give. So you can see here, this is a formula of the alcohol. It is a ethanol. Ethyl alcohol is called as ethanol. You can see that the bond between the carbon is single, so it is the alkane. Therefore, we can get alkene from it by the process of dehydration. So it is a ethanol alcohol. You can see two carbons and the 6 hydrogen. So now it is a process by which we remove water from this alcohol. The water is there. You can see when we remove this H2O from this ethanol alcohol, then the product is the ethene, which is the alkene. So you can see, and this process is carried out in the presence of H2SO4 sulfuric acid and by the temperature 180 degrees centigrade. You can see that when the H and OH is removed from this, so it gives us H2O water, and then the removing of this, there the bond between the carbon become double by the removing of one bond. So therefore the bond between the carbon is become double, and then give us ethene plus water, and this is hydrogen, and the remaining two hydrogen are removed and give us the water. Next we will talk about the next process. Next we will talk about the next step of the preparation of alkene, the dehydrogenation of alkyl halide. It means that when we remove alkyl halide and hydrogen from a solution and give us alkene, like, and the alkyl halide are the iodine, chlorine, and sulfur, etc. All the halogen element found in the periodic table, all these are the alkyl halide. So this is a solution of chloroethene, ethyl chloride, in which there is a single bond between the carbon atom, which makes it alkane. So you can see here that now the target is this place. When we remove this place from this solution, so directly it gives us the alkene, ethene. So this is removed by the heating. When we heat this solution and the presence of potassium hydroxide, so hot potassium hydroxide is given to it, and then it become directly it remove from it, and the product give us HCl, which is hydrochloric acid. So HCl is given in the product and plus the ethene, and then the single bond become double bond, and directly it gives us ethene plus HCl, and with the 4 hydrogen, so it gives us C2H4, which is ethene of the alkene. So this was about the preparation of alkene and the alkene properties. So I hope that you have learned more about my lecture, and if you have any doubt, any questions, so you can mention in the comment, and please subscribe and share my lecture for next video. See you next time.